What's up, everyone? I wanted to show you guys real quick, if you guys are doing any DIY home stuff and you have an ugly vent and you want to change out your return vent grill, is actually quite easy. And I got this one off Amazon because Home Depot and Lowe's did not have them. Actually, Home Depot carries a 14x1 grill. Most people will have a 14x1 grill, or they'll have a bigger one. Most of the times Home Depot or Lowe's will carry the bigger one. But if you can't, I found it. Just get the name for it, go on Amazon, and I got this the next day. Home Depot was like, oh, we're not going to get it for like, a week. Anyways, I want to show you guys, I changed this out here. Of course, you see the mud and the primer that I put behind it because myself decided to not look at a video first. And I went ahead and tried cutting out the side. Do not do that. Do not do it. Just go inside and they're going to have screws. Screws. It's kind of, you just slide it in, slide it out. This is a 14x14x1 if you guys have that. So that means you have a 14x14x1 grill as well. You can see that there. And there's many holes. Those holes are all for different styles. If you're going in the ceiling or going through the wall like this, there's different holes. This one, of course, I screwed one in there. And I screwed one in there, and I think I screwed one in the top as well. Huh. Yeah. So, anyways, that's a return. And you just take the screws out and see how it just slides in there. So you can cut around if they put caulking there. Just cut around it and cut around it, take the screws out, and it should slide out. You might want to get a little bit of mud, some drywall mud just in case. And definitely gonna need some primer in that case. Just a little thing of primer. And the same paint as your wall, of course. But yeah, that's how you change out a grill. And these are actually, you can make to turn them. If you don't like them like this, you can turn them around where the lines are vertical and not horizontal. Anyways, that's how you change out a grill, you guys, a return grill.